Tornadoes. These swirling giants of wind and fury are among nature's most awe-inspiring and terrifying phenomena. These awe-inspiring forces of nature command our attention, drawing our eyes to the sky and our hearts to our throats. They are visible reminders of the raw, untamed power that the natural world possesses, a testament to the incredible forces at play in our atmosphere. Imagine a swirling vortex of wind, a dark funnel cloud descending from the storm clouds above, twisting and turning with a ferocity that defies comprehension. The air is thick with moisture, and the wind howls like a banshee, ripping through the landscape with an unrelenting force, tearing apart everything in its path. Tornadoes are among the most destructive weather phenomena on Earth, capable of causing immense damage in a very short amount of time. They're capable of leveling entire neighborhoods in a matter of minutes, leaving behind a trail of devastation that can take years to recover from. But what are tornadoes exactly? How do these powerful storms form, and what drives their incredible strength? Where do they come from, and what causes them to develop? These questions have fascinated scientists and storm chasers for decades. In the following sections, we will delve into the fascinating and sometimes terrifying world of tornadoes, uncovering the mysteries behind their formation and behavior. We will explore their formation, their behavior, and their impact on the world around us, examining the ways in which they shape our environment and our lives. We will also examine the ways in which scientists are working to better understand and predict these powerful storms, using cutting-edge technology and research to keep us safe from nature's fury. Tornadoes are born from powerful thunderstorms, those towering behemoths of the sky that bring lightning, thunder, and torrential rain. But not all thunderstorms give rise to tornadoes. Only a small percentage of these storms possess the unique combination of atmospheric ingredients necessary to spawn these whirling dervishes of destruction. The formation of a tornado is a complex process, but it can be broken down into a series of key stages. It all begins with warm, moist air near the ground. As this air rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and releasing latent heat. If conditions are right, the rising air will begin to rotate, creating an updraft, a powerful column of air moving upwards into the storm cloud. As the updraft intensifies, it can begin to tilt, and this tilting is crucial for tornado formation. Tornadoes can occur almost anywhere in the world, but some areas are more prone to these violent storms than others. In the United States, a region known as Tornado Alley, which stretches from Texas north to the Dakotas, is particularly vulnerable. This area is a hotbed of tornado activity due to its unique geography and climate. Tornado Alley sits at the intersection of warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry air from the Rocky Mountains. This clash of air masses creates the perfect conditions for the development of supercell thunderstorms, the most powerful type of thunderstorm, and the type most likely to produce tornadoes. While Tornado Alley is perhaps the most well-known tornado hotspot, these storms are not limited to the Great Plains. Tornadoes have been reported in all 50 U.S. states as well as in many other countries around the world. The destructive power of a tornado lies in its intense rotation. But what causes this incredible spin? The answer lies in the complex interplay of atmospheric forces at work within a thunderstorm. As we learned earlier, the formation of a tornado begins with the development of an updraft within a thunderstorm. This updraft is a powerful column of rising air, and as it intensifies, it can begin to rotate. This rotation is caused by differences in wind speed and direction at different altitudes, a phenomenon known as wind shear. As the updraft rotates and stretches, it becomes narrower and spins faster, much like an ice skater pulling in their arms. This process of stretching and intensifying rotation is what gives a tornado its incredible power. Section 5. Nature's Wrath. Historical tornadoes and their impacts. Tornadoes, with their immense power and unpredictability, have always fascinated and terrified humanity. These natural phenomena can cause unparalleled destruction in mere minutes, leaving behind a trail of devastation and loss. Throughout history, there have been countless tornadoes that have left their mark on the earth and its people. These storms have not only reshaped landscapes, but have also deeply impacted the communities they touched, altering lives forever. Some of these storms have been so powerful and destructive that they have become etched in our collective memory. Their stories are passed down through generations, serving as both a warning and a testament to nature's might. One such event was the Tri-State Tornado of 1925. this catastrophic tornado is often remembered for its sheer scale and the unprecedented destruction it caused. This monstrous twister, which carved a path of destruction across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana, is considered the deadliest tornado in U.S. history, claiming the lives of over 695 people. The tri-state tornado's legacy is a somber reminder of the vulnerability of human settlements in the face of such natural disasters. The tri-state tornado serves as a stark reminder of the awesome power of nature and the importance of respecting its fury. It also underscores the need for preparedness and the development of better warning systems to mitigate the impact of future tornadoes. Another notable tornado event was the super outbreak of 1974. This outbreak is often cited in meteorological studies due to its scale and the lessons learned from it. Over a 2-day period in April of that year, a series of 148 tornadoes tore through 13 U.S. states and 1 Canadian province. The widespread nature of this outbreak demonstrated the far-reaching impact tornadoes can have across vast regions. The super outbreak was one of the most extensive and destructive tornado outbreaks on record, highlighting the unpredictable nature of these storms. It emphasized the importance of advanced meteorological research and the continuous improvement of forecasting techniques to better predict and respond to such events in the future. Section 6. The Enhanced Fujita Scale, Measuring Nature's Fury. This scale is a critical tool in meteorology, helping us understand and predict the potential impact of tornadoes. Assessing the intensity of tornadoes is vital for understanding their potential for destruction and for communicating the risks associated with these storms. By accurately measuring tornado strength, we can better prepare and protect communities in their path. The Enhanced Fujita Scale, or F-scale for short, is the primary tool used to measure tornado strength. Developed to improve upon the original Fujita scale, it provides a more accurate assessment of tornado damage. The EF scale ranges from EF0 to EF5, with EF0 being the weakest and EF5 being the strongest. Each level on the scale corresponds to a range of wind speeds and the type of damage typically observed. Tornadoes are assigned an EF rating based on the damage they cause, with wind speeds estimated based on the observed destruction. This method allows meteorologists to classify tornadoes even when direct wind speed measurements are not available. EF0 and EF1 tornadoes are the most common and typically cause minor damage, such as broken tree limbs and roof damage. These tornadoes, while less destructive, can still pose significant risks to life and property. As we move up the scale, the intensity and potential for destruction increase dramatically. EF2 and EF3 tornadoes can cause considerable damage, tearing roofs off buildings and uprooting trees. EF4 and EF5 tornadoes are extremely dangerous and can level well-built structures, leaving behind a path of utter devastation. These high-intensity tornadoes are rare, but are responsible for the most catastrophic damage and loss of life. Section 7. Seeking Shelter, Tornado Safety and Preparedness. Knowing what to do when a tornado threatens can mean the difference between life and death. Tornado safety is paramount, and it's crucial to have a plan in place before the storm hits. When a tornado warning is issued, every second counts. The first step is to seek sturdy shelter immediately. If you're in a house, go to the lowest level, preferably a basement or storm cellar. Stay away from windows and exterior walls, and if possible, take cover under a heavy piece of furniture. If you're in a mobile home, evacuate immediately and seek shelter in a more substantial structure. Mobile homes offer virtually no protection from tornadoes and can be easily tossed about by even weak twisters. Section 8. Forecasting the fury, predicting and tracking tornadoes. Predicting tornadoes is a complex and challenging task, but thanks to advances in meteorology and weather forecasting technology, we've made significant strides in recent years. Meteorologists use a variety of tools and techniques to monitor weather patterns and identify conditions favorable for tornado development. Doppler radar is one of the most valuable tools in a meteorologist's arsenal. This technology allows meteorologists to detect rotation within thunderstorms, a key indicator of potential tornado formation. When rotation is detected, a tornado warning is issued, alerting the public to the imminent threat. In addition to radar, meteorologists rely on satellite imagery, weather balloons, and computer models to track storms and provide timely and accurate forecasts. These tools allow them to issue watches and warnings, giving people valuable time to prepare and seek shelter. Section 9. Conclusion. Respecting nature's power. Tornadoes are a force of nature that should both awe and humble us. Their raw power is a testament to the immense forces at work in our atmosphere, and their unpredictability serves as a constant reminder of the importance of preparedness and respect for the natural world. While we've made significant strides in understanding and predicting tornadoes, there is still much to learn. Continued research and technological advancements are crucial to improving our ability to forecast these storms and mitigate their impacts. By understanding the science behind tornadoes, respecting their power, and heeding safety warnings, we can minimize the risks associated with these awe-inspiring but potentially devastating weather events.